Hey guys, in today's Quick Tip Wednesday, I'm going to share with you how to arrange a really quick and easy Dollar Tree floral arrangement for the fall. Okay guys, so I will be using 3 hydrangeas, 3 flocked branches, and 3 of the cone flowers, and this one is in like a lilac and a heather color, and then this is also a cone flower and it's just in a lighter shade in like a lilac. And so I'll be using 1 of those and then 3 of those, and I'm using the 2 together because I like the way the lighter tone helped to bring out the darker shades in this flower. 1 container, and then I have an assortment of flowers from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so when you start out with an arrangement, your vase is very important, and so here I'm starting out with a small opening on the vase. And then that will just enable you to have more control over your flowers, and then you will use less flowers. So I'm going to start with the hydrangeas first. And like I said, I have 3. And I'm just going to go ahead and place them in the bottom. I may kind of give it a little bend so that they hang over just a little bit. And as you can see, I'm just doing the whole little flower, just giving it a quick little bend. And you can always adjust these once you get them in the vase. Okay, and so then the next ones that I'm going to use will be the branches, the flocked branches. And guys, I really liked seeing these because not only am I going to use them for fall, but I'm going to use them in the in my Christmas decor as well. So I have 3, and I'm just going to set those down in the center. And if you need to, you can put something on the bottom. I usually don't get into the foam and all of that, but you certainly can. Or you can use what I like to use a lot of times is either newspaper or just grocery bags. Here, let me fix the camera. Okay, so I have those in the center, and then I'm just going to take the other leftover, the cone flowers, and I'm going to place them around the branches. So I think I am going to need all 4 to kind of hold up the branches. And like I said, if you need to, put something in the center to raise the branches. But I'm gonna, once I get these cone flowers in place, I'm gonna try and hold up the branches with those. Okay, so that's the 4. It's coming together real nicely. I like the way that looks. And then, now some of the flowers, you know, you might feel like they're a little dark. Now for some people this might be fine, but I kind of want to go in with a little lighter shade, so that's why I cut off the stems, so I can kind of randomly place them where areas where I feel are a little dark. So I'm just gonna put one here, and I may not keep this little greenery piece on there. I'll see. Not sure I'm liking the way that looks, but we'll see. So I'm just going to randomly place those around, and I have 4. Like I said, just to give a little lightness to some of the dark areas. And then you're going to want to just put them all the way around. You're not going to want to place them all together. And that's why I cut them apart. I could have left them in a big bush, but it wouldn't have looked as nice as when you just kind of spread them around. And I just wanted a few, just to kind of give a little lightness to the dark hydrangeas and then these other little flowers here. Okay, so, and I'm not going to keep these on. That looks ridiculous. Okay. But in the bush, they probably looked really nice, but not in this arrangement. Okay, and now I'm going to come in with the lighter green. Now, the green is a little lighter tone than in the hydrangeas. It's like a blue green. And I'm just going to randomly place those around. And I'm just going to go around the entire piece. And you'll have to step back and look and see where it looks dark to you and where you might want to add a little lighter color. And I'm going to push them in just a little bit because I don't really want them to stand out. I just want to add a little brightness to the hydrangeas. And so I got one more on the back side. And there you have it. I really like the way it turned out. I probably will bring more of these around. Let me turn this around. Here, I'll do it this way. How about that? So I'll make a few adjustments, but I like the way it turned out. And some of you, if you guys are skeptical in the colors, don't worry. You guys know I always pull it together in the end. And so I'm going to come back and I'm going to decorate the table. This is my entry table. So let me get this cleaned up. Now this stuff does have a lot of fallout, but you just have to deal with it, and then once you finish your arrangement, don't touch it. Okay, so I'll be back and then we'll decorate. Okay, so I have one more flower to show you, but I'm not going to use it in the pot. I'm going to use it on the table just to lay down. And this I got from Pier 1. Let's see. And it was $4.95. And the color is perfect to the Dollar Tree flowers. Okay, so let me show you what I'll do with that. And actually, I'm just going to bend the stem because I don't want to cut it just yet. Okay. Okay, so I've added a pumpkin. And I don't remember. I think I got those at JCPenney's at the end of the season last year for dirt cheap. Okay, and then I'm just going to add a little candle. Guys, see the color? Now this is a pink or mauve, and when the light hits it, it has a little bronzy glow to it, which I thought worked perfectly, matched with these flowers, because if you look close, the flowers have a little bronze on the edge. See, like that? And this has that same tone. So I'm going to put that there. And then, just to bring in the purple, I have this candle that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to set that there. And that's my end result, guys. And of course the Bless Our Home sign. Now I got that last year. I'm not real sure where I got it. Oh, Home Goods. And so this is the entry table. So this will be a representation of what you will see as you enter the other rooms of my home, or at least the front area. The back is going to be a little different, but similar tones. So that is my quick tip, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing the quick and easy floral arrangement, and I will see you guys on Friday. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. Okay guys, so I forgot I had one more element to add to this arrangement, and that is the curly willow. I just wanted to add my little touch of rustic glam. You guys know I love that rustic glam, and so I just wanted to add a little rustic feature to the pumpkin, and I think that just helps it to look a little bit more like fall. I might add a little more, but for right now I think that's fine. What do you guys think? Does this look like fall to you? At least it's my fall. It may not be colors traditionally that someone would use, but you guys know I'm different and I just do whatever is in my head. So this is what was in my head, and so this is what came out.